Throughout the universe and all around us, matter exists in different states. These states of matter are like different costumes that atoms and molecules wear. Let's start with the basics. First, there's the solid state. Imagine a giant superhero statue made of tough and sturdy material. The atoms and molecules in a solid hold hands tightly and barely move. This is why solids like rocks, ice, and even the chair you're sitting on have a definite shape and volume. Next is the liquid state. Picture a swirling dance party. In liquids, atoms and molecules don't hold hands as tightly. They can move around each other, and that's why liquids like water and juice can change their shape and flow easily, although they still have a definite volume. Then, there's the gas state. Here, pretend all the dancers at the party start flying apart and zooming around the room. The molecules in a gas dance around freely and are far apart. That's why gases like air or steam don't have a fixed shape or volume, they spread out wherever they can. There's another fascinating state called plasma, which is often seen in stars, including our sun. Imagine that all the dancers become supercharged, moving so fast and energetically that their electrons start moving around separately from atoms. Plasma is like a sizzling hot cloud of charged particles. And scientists have studied two more exotic states of matter. The Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC, is a state where atoms cool down so much that they behave like a single, supercoherent group, as if the dancers all move together in a synchronized slow motion. Then, there's fermionic condensate, similar to BEC, but it's created with fermions. It's like an even rarer dance where particles move cooperatively under special conditions. These different states of matter show just how adaptable and intricate the building blocks of our universe are, transforming with changes in temperature and pressure like magical transformations at an atomic party. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.